guys. Yeah, so what's up guys? I'm heading to the town. Let's see which side it is. I'm trying to see which side. So guys, get ready. I'm about to taste the food. I mean, I've eaten it before. It tastes quite good. I just want to see. I want you to see how it looks like. I mean, you guys are not gonna taste it, but you're gonna have some kind of feeling or some kind of reaction to it. Anyways, be back. Hej, hej.
Brorsan, de måste ta bara en tallrik, eller? De måste.
Jag kan göra 100 tallrikar.
Eller hur? För att liksom bara en till sallad och en till mat.
Jag gör det.
So yes, one. Yeah. Is it nice? Yes, of course.
Have a nice meal.
Okay. Yes.
Filmar du någonting här?
Yeah.
Bara med.
So Welcome. I don't think she knows the law.
The law is on your side.
I don't think I don't speak to people like this. I just tell them have a nice day.
Hey.
Look, I don't like either to be filmed, but I can't say anything to you.
Yeah, I mean it's yeah, I know, but I'll be trying to be respectful, you know.
Yeah, I know. No.
Yeah, I'll speak for myself.
You know what I mean? I can't go around and tell people I'm not allowed to do this. You're not allowed to do this.
It's free, come on. It's like a free country. Like people are like, they think there's something big. Thank you, anyways. So, sorry. Today, guys, we're having some. What would you say is the best? I like chicken.
This one.
This one is nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is the one we sell most.
Okay. So I'll have this a lot. Thank you, though.
No problem.
Some salads would be good too. I think this is chicken. And yeah, you need some salmon. Okay.
اللي بدك اياه ما في مشكله انت واحد تقعد يلا ما في مشكله
Of course, rice. The water. Okay. But I paid for a bottle or what? Or not?
Water.
It's only water that I paid, right?
No, you paid for the bottle.
Yeah, where is the bottle? Okay, I'll be back. Man, guys, it's been a while. Couldn't finish it. It's a lot. So I'll be going to the town. Time is it's about to be 2. Yeah, it's Friday, and I'll check it out how it looks like. But you guys can leave a comment, and I'll provide you some information too about locations. Yeah. I'll see you guys after a few hours. So, guys, do you know why I chose this pet? It's a small pet, you know. It's kind of hamster. It's not gonna bother me with my life. It's gonna take a small ration, and yeah, it's economical, and plus I think nowadays 2020, let's say 2025, it's very important to have a pet. Get a cat, get a dog or something.